Hi, I'm Vasilis. I'm the founder of Oseven telematics. If you expect me to tell you about the next aggregator platform or claims management platform, clearly I would disappoint you. I'm here to talk about saving lives, and you may be wondering, hey, you're on FinTech competition. Of course I am. And this is the magic about Oseven. We're producing profits for our investors, for our company, for our clients, and at the same time, we're saving lives. Let's see the problem. Motor insurance companies buy a driving risk with a high loss ratio exceeding 80% in the European markets, and they can't motivate their customers to drive safe and eco. And from the other side, we, the drivers, pay a premium based on how well drive in the region, and we can't identify our weak points to become better. And this is a tremendous social and financial impact to the global economy, reflected to 1.2 million deaths and from 20 to 50 million serious injuries, cost over $1 trillion to the global economy. So yes, we need to change the way we drive. And here is where Oseven comes in. Oseven is a pioneer insurance telematics company providing advanced driving behavior analytics to motor insurance companies and fleet owners through smartphone-only solutions based on advanced machine learning techniques and driving behavior modeling. Our main scope is to help our clients to create safe and eco drivers, reduce their business risk, and redefine their relationship with their customers. The financial pitching for insurers is undeniable. Over 180 billion premiums are produced every year in Europe. And applying our solution, we can increase their profits up to 65%, reducing the loss ratio from 80 to 60%. Why we adopted the smartphone solution? Smartphone revolutionizes the way we drive and the way we insure. It's hardware-free. It provides fast scale-up. It avoids legal regulation obstacles and reduces dramatically the cost up to 70% comparing to classic telematic solutions. And above that, we measure driver distraction risk and recognizing mobile usage while driving 20% of the traffic accidents today. And with 75% penetration of the smartphone market today, yes, it's user-friendly, and we can create great social gamification schemes. But technology is evolving. 3G connected cars, self-driving cars are here, but not to the mass. That's why we created a Trojan horse able to transform any vehicle of any age to a 3G connected car in less than 25 seconds, downloading just the app. And above all, we're a tech aggregator, able to gather and analyze data from different sources, now in the future, and produce unique and trustworthy analytics. We maybe think of the future, but we're acting to the present. And we had some major challenges to overcome. First of all, we had to learn the machine, the smartphone. We needed to gather and understand all the data from its sensor to detect harsh events like brakings, brutal accelerations, harsh cornering events, driver distraction like texting and talking on the phone, and clear the noise produced from smartphone movements in the car. And of course, our holy grail, driver and passenger recognition, and keep just the valid trips that correspond to the driver we monitor. Following that, we had to develop a sophisticated scoring model taking into account speeding, harsh events frequency based on road type and speed, weather conditions, risky hour driver and driver distraction, and transform this score to a driving risk metric. But the ultimate challenge that we should all work together on this is to change drivers' philosophy. We all need to realize how important it is to be focused on the steering wheel while driving. We need to educate the driver to understand weak and strong points, to change perception about cool driving. Aggressive driving is not cool. Research shows that women do not like the fast boys anymore. And at the end, we need to raise driving awareness to the society and highlight the importance of our actions during and while driving, because every single second counts on the road. And all this come nicely together to our platform, a platform with benefits designed for our safety, to make our lives safer, one ride at a time. At the end of every trip, the driver gets a score, and the score per category. In that way, we educate the driver to become better, safer, and more eco-driver. But who gives you the score? A score is useless if there is not valuable know-how behind it. We don't analyze data. We have the expertise to analyze driving behavior data. That's why we invested in people who bring great experience in our field, following a holistic approach. And as a Gmail creator said once that if your product is great, it doesn't need to be good, which means you need to focus. And we focus to the values and the features that define and enhance our product vision till we result in the Oseven certified driver, the driver of the 21st century. Do you want to be the next Oseven driver? Coming soon to your local insurer. Thank you.
Thank you, Vasily. Maybe just stay on the stage.
All right.
You're going to get hopefully some questions from the judges.
Can you just talk a little bit about like the size of the company and where you stand in terms of customers? And
Sure.
And I understand the market is you're selling to the insurance companies and not going to the consumer, or are you going to the consumer as well?
Actually, we're a clear B2B business, so our clients are insurance companies. We have already agreements signed with Acmea Group division in Greece, Inter-American, the largest company in Greece, with Insurance Market, the largest insurance aggregator in Greece. And we are in advanced discussion negotiations with key insurance players in the market, in European markets. And we're preparing very interesting projects in hot and sexy driver segments, like taxi hailing apps, ride-sharing apps. And actually, we're in the pleasant situation right now to solve a problem, to handle a very high demand. And because 2 years ago, when we were saying about smartphone solution as a Trojan horse, they were telling us, you're crazy. This thing doesn't work. And we went against the odds. And it seems that we win this bet. And all this that were telling us that we're crazy, they came back, and now we sign with them.
How do you convince consumers to share their data with you? Because it could be also quite sensitive data that they're sharing. How do you convince them that it's worth?
Benefits. As mentioned before, we have developed a platform with benefits, and we transfer these benefits, and with partnership with our insurance clients, and with discounts, loyalty awards, and in the coming weeks, you will hear many interesting things on our behalf. So they are more than willing to share their data with us, and we give it back to them. So yes, they're doing it.
I might have missed that. How many active users do you have on the platform at the moment?
Actually, we count in thousands because we just roll out. We developed the whole solution for 2 years, and we're just ready now to roll out. And that's why we're in the process to sign contracts with big insurance clients. But we bring over 25 years of international research of a well-known team who work specifically on the driving behavior analytics segments for over 25 years. And we have a budget of over 100 million euros in research so far.